talking about? I see you, fucking bitch. I see you. Your camera just rattling.
You missed it, bro. You pop all of a sudden and get snacks, right?
First of all, what?
We just give out snacks and shit. I just gave them mad snacks.
Who?
Chris.
Oh shit.
Chris.
It's true, Cock gave you snacks. I don't even be with the internet shit, bro. Like, for real though, like. So he gave you snacks, you ain't PC me? I don't get a little bit?
Well, you weren't even here, bro.
Alright, but like,
you just popped up.
How many he gave you?
How many snacks? He only gave me like one. Friends, a snack.
Nah, he has all 4.
Probably, I don't know, like, what are you doing?
Yeah!